Ooh. Hey, babies. Hey guys, welcome. I literally just got done filming 2 videos, and those videos is both in collaboration with my fellow YouTuber and Cebuana. Yeah, you'll see that first, I believe. So anyways, I received a package from Elf. I ordered some, finally, like the putty primer. They finally restock it, and oh my god, once I got notified with that in my email, I was just like, I went ahead and got it. So anyways, where is the package? Hold on, let me try to set you guys here. So here is the Elf package. I'm just not gonna show, this is the back, I'm not gonna show the actual front because my address. So anyways, this is the package, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got. And also, I've been, like I said in a previous vlog, I've been saving up some of my makeup that I will be giving away for you guys. So this palette right here was free because once, I think I have to order at least $25 and I'll get a free shipping, and I didn't know that I'll get this palette. This is the Kneaded Nude eyeshadow palette right there from Elf, and I believe this costs like $10, but this is free. I didn't pay anything for this, so I'll be putting this on like in a giveaway pile, so you're probably gonna end up winning this one as well. And then I didn't get one, but I got 2 poreless putty primer right here, and this really, like, a lot of people I've been waiting for this primer to restock for over like 2 months now. So yeah, that's why I went ahead and just got the Tatcha. But this one right here is for Elf, and I believe this is $8. So that's that, the Elf primer, and I'm really excited because I got 2 just in case. So anyway, let me just put that back right here, and let me just take it in a box because I'm gonna end up using it anyway. So put it right here. Also, I'll restock with my Elf brow pencil black, and I restock it with my clear brow and lash mascara right here. I think both of them are like $2 and $2. So yeah, that's really about it on the Elf haul. And then I also ordered, hold on, something from Amazon. This is, I'm gonna be packing, guys, because next week it's our flight. May 18 is our flight going to Vegas, because we will be celebrating my birthday over there. And also after Vegas, my husband and I decided to just drive Vegas to California. So yeah, we're going to California for 4 days as well. So probably our flight coming back to 30 or the 31st, I don't know. I think it's May 30 or 29th. I'm not sure, I have to look in my thing. But anyway, I got this on Amazon. This is the, like, an organizer for a luggage. So yeah, I had like 8 stuff in it. So I don't know where's, oh, right here I do have the box. Hold on. So this is the JJ Power Travel Packing Master. This is a Packing Cubes 8 set. So it looks like that right there. And then there's this one right here, and I'm really excited to pack because I'm gonna start packing tomorrow. So that's that. There's one, and then there's one like this here. It's like zip. I got the color cream. I didn't get on black, I don't know, but I just got the color cream there. So really excited to pack and vacation. Ooh, right there's another one. So basically just 8 cubes, and also also you can put like toiletries in here. So, and I also have like OOTD in mind already, so you know, stay tuned with the packing with me. So I think this is for the clothes, right? This for the clothes. Yeah, so I got 8. So get 2 of these, the big one, and right, this one is the big, yeah. So I guess that's it for the Amazon haul as well. And you guys, I have a favorite chocolate, And I think Chinkitita, she's a YouTuber. I know she's very big now. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a Brookside chocolate. I'm gonna show it to you. This one. Oh my goodness. This one is a Brookside dark chocolate. It's an acai and blueberry flavors. This is really good. It's so good. It's so good. I'll try not to just like sit and eat it all, but it's just really good. I try to eat like 12 or like, because it says the calories in here is like 130. Serving size is about 12 pieces. Sometimes I go overboard because I'm trying to watch what I eat. Oh, and also guys, I use this on the makeup, the Camo Concealer from ELF right there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, you guys, I think I'm gonna buy the, I don't know if I want to buy the AirPods, like the wireless one from Best Buy for my birthday gift. I really don't know what to get for myself, because I feel like I want to spoil myself, but like I feel guilty of spoiling myself. I don't know. But yes, anyway, Vegas is gonna be the 18th until the 26th, and then from we check out the 26th to the 29 or 30, we will be in California. So I'm really excited about that. Yes, so anyways, I'm gonna update you guys. I'm gonna just get dressed because I don't, it's way too yellow, but I'm gonna get dressed and update you guys if I'm gonna go out today or buy the AirPods. I don't know yet, but yes, I'll talk to you guys later on. Guys, it's so fucking hot. It's 81 degrees. I'm on my way to pick up the girls. Oh god, it's hot. It's hot. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna pick up the girls first because Viola is still in the shower, and then we're going to Starbucks because I have a $25 or $30 gift card. So yes, let's go. Daniel?
What Daniel, dumbass?
Oh,
Antonio. So what happened? What's the gossip?
I'm tonight. S'mores.
Hey, babies.
Your face up. We're here at the Solomon's Bridge. Well, not in the bridge, under the bridge.
I'm the king of the world.
Oh my god.
What if they stand here? But then they...
Yeah, we're not gonna save you, honey. Yeah.
Lie. I don't think we do. Mama, we're at the Walmart. Like, I don't really need it, but to be like perfect.
What do you need for white wine for?
White wine needs for the sauce.
Bougie.
Bougie, bad and bougie.
I take my kids to Walmart. Mommy. Mercy, like you guys are just talking. Viola, you lead.
That was not
right there.
You lead.
We're like literally just talking. We passed like milk section. We're looking for, ooh, chips.
Actually, we need juice.
Oh yeah, juice and chips.
Wait, where's
Okay.
I'm so lost.
I'm lost.
Where's the pasta?
Where's the pasta? But we need chips because we're cheap. Chips.
Okay, get the chips.
Chips
Weird
out.
flavor.
Is it spicy?
What?
Is it spicy?
So we are in Walmart. We're in Walmart. We're in Walmart, and Mama is just paying because we're gonna get some Italian food tonight.
Yes, this is Mary. Hi, Mary.
So yeah, bye.
We got whole wheat. Is this? Are you gonna cook all of this, Viola?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the beef? ragu.
Wait, do you need beef? No, I'm not making ragu anymore.
And then Cheetos.
4 hours.
Wavy. I'm so wavy. Hayat. Pineapple Bay.
This is all the permission we have. It's gonna be a
I'm Japan. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my freaking god, oh my god.
Emily.
I'm fucking Leah!
Okay, sorry. Okay, I got like 4 fucking kids. I forgot sometimes. Mommy.
Actually, are we even twins? Like,
It looks like
everybody
it.
seems to think that.
What did you do there, Mama?
Now that you guys are both tanned, yes, kinda.
Oh my god. Shh. Stare it like. Ooh. We're about to eat. Thank you, Mamacita. It's pasta.
Okay, then let's put the pasta.
And what is this again, honey? What is this, honey?
Whatever. No. From whatever.
Honey?
Something.
It's
Whatever.
like coconut, strawberry, rum.
Okay. Straight. Okay, just Lord, thank you for this blessing and for this food that Viola just cooked for us. Amen.
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 That's true. I need to take pictures.
Of course, it didn't
Picture.
happen.
Don't eat. Don't drink till I take a picture.
How did you get it like spiderweb? How did you get it like spiderweb?
Spiderweb.
Right?
Okay.
Now you guys are gonna tell me.
I just
what you
used the
think.
smaller one.
Of it.
Oh my
Honestly,
god.
this is so much alcohol, but it tastes so good though. I'm actually proud of myself. It's really creamy. Gonna drink later more.
There's a fucking spoon.
It's not a school night for you guys.
What? It is.
But your mom is not here.
I'm trying to go to school on the way, guys.
Honestly, I don't have anything tomorrow. I'm through all my
I just
tests.
left the whole day. I went to school, sit on the in the back, and just left all day.
I'm just gonna come in wearing sunglasses.
The pajamas and shit, like sunglasses.
Honestly, you wouldn't, like, people wouldn't notice that at Great Mills.
Oh my god.
I can do a made pasta too, because she taught me.
What?
He's dancing like a stripper.
Ooh. Oh yes. Yes. Okay. Oh yes. Hey guys. Just an update. I'm here at the Harris Theater. I'm gonna get some milk and bacon for tomorrow. I already dropped Viola off and the girls, but tomorrow, I think tomorrow night, I'm gonna probably, I don't know yet, I might sleep at Mary Frances' house because we're probably gonna do sleepover. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here in the car because I think I'm just gonna be tired when I get home. Yeah. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.